Then she heard a voice, Sarah, it was never my intention for you to suffer this way. In that moment when my mom hears this, she get totally astonished of what she had just seen and what she has heard. And she gets so scared, she runs home and she does not tell anybody about this and she goes to sleep. And this was on a Saturday. On a Sunday morning, early her phone rings. It is a distant friend. My mom first gets mad. Why do you call me so early in the morning? But then the lady said this to her. I was in church today. The pastor said that God said that all the Iranian women are here. Where is Sarah? Tell Sarah to come to church because I have something for her. And that became a sign for my mom that caused her to go to church. She goes to church and she has one foot in the church, one foot ready to run out of the church. And the pastor says, I believe God's going to change your life and I'm going to pray for you. That day, my mom got radically saved, born again, filled with the Spirit of God. She got totally delivered from every spirit of suicide.